Welcome back. In this video, I will discuss what is non-interpolated average precision and how to calculate non-interpolated average precision step by step with the help of simple solid example. Here, user has submitted the query to an IA system. Out of the first 15 documents returned by the system, those ranked 1, 2, 5, 8 and 12 were relevant. Here we need to compute non-interpolated average precision for this retrieval. And we will assume that total number of relevant documents are 6. These information is given to us, that is total retrieved documents are 15. Ranks of relevant documents are 1, 2, 5, 8 and 12. And total relevant documents in collections are 6 documents. In the first step of non-interpolated average precision, we will understand what is non-interpolated average precision. A non-interpolated average precision is nothing but average of precision values are computed only at the ranks where relevant documents are occur. So this can be calculated by using the formula, that is AP is equal to 1 divided by R summation of PK for all K belongs to relevant documents, where R is total number of relevant documents, that is 6 in this case, and PK is a precision at a rank K. Now the question is how to find the PK. To find the PK, we need to use this formula, that is PK is equal to relevant documents so far divided by total number of documents so far. So in the second step, we will construct a retrieval table. Here we need to take the ranks and we need to find the precision. First, I will take the first rank. This first rank is a relevant document and relevant retrieved so far are 1. So precision is equal to the number of relevant retrieved so far, that is a 1, and the total number of documents so far is 1. So 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. Next, I will take the next rank, that is 2. 2 is also a relevant document and till now the relevant retrieved documents are 2 and precision is equal to relevant retrieved documents divided by total number of documents. So 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. And here we can see that the document 3 and 4 are not a relevant document. So for this one we will not calculate the precision. And fifth one is a relevant document and till now the relevant retrieved documents are 3 and precision is equal to number of relevant retrieved documents, those are 3, divided by total number of document till now is 5. So 3 divided by 5 is equal to 0.6. 6 and 7, these two ranks are not relevant documents. So for this one we will not calculate the precision. And 8th one is a relevant document and till now we are getting the 4 relevant retrieved documents. So precision is equal to 4 divided by total number of documents till now, that is 8. So 4 divided by 8 is equal to 0.5. Similarly, we need to calculate the precision for all 15 ranks. In the third step of not interpolated average precision, we need to extract the precision values at a relevant ranks. So at the rank 1 we get the precision as a 1 and at the rank 2 we get the precision as a 1. Again for the rank 5 we got the precision as 0.6 and for rank 8 we got the precision as 0.5 and for the rank 12 we got the precision as 0.4167. Once you extract the precision values, next we need to apply the formula to calculate the average precision. So the formula is average precision is equal to 1 divided by R summation of Pk for all K belongs to relevant documents. So here R is nothing but total number of relevant documents and the rank of relevant documents are 1, 2, 5, 8 and 12. Once you put these values in this equation, we will get AP, that is a average precision is equal to 0.5861. This is how we will calculate non-interpolated average precision for the given retrieved documents. I hope the concept of non-interpolated average precision is clear. If you like the video, do like and share with your friends. Press the subscribe button for more videos. Press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you for watching.